In a bright, colourful cartoon city lived Milo, an 8-year-old superhero. He wore a slightly oversized blue and yellow costume with a lightning bolt logo. Milo was shy, often looking nervous but sweet. One sunny afternoon, a goofy giant robot rolled through town, causing chaos. Buildings wobbled and people scattered in playful panic. A close-up showed Milo's face, his small nose beginning to wiggle. A dramatic, slow-motion build-up began. Milo's eyes widened. A sneeze brewing. He sneezed in slow motion, a huge gust of glowing wind power blasting from him. The powerful sneeze hit the robot, stopping it instantly. The crowd erupted in cheers, amazed by Milo's unexpected heroism. Milo, still a little shy, offered a small, triumphant smile.